everybody drops nuts and screws. You go, oops-a-daisy, you can't find it, okay? Bottom line is when you put the magnetic finger on, no more struggling, holding anything, because basically it's right there. You can manipulate with your thumb or index finger. So if you're even backing out a nut or screw, it's going to hop. You're not going to drop it anymore. You can turn, twist, and all of that, and kind of go places where you can't even see what you're doing, and hold that nut or screw, and you're not going to drop it, and you're not going to be worried about it. You're not going to be cussing about losing it or anything like that. Stick magnets are cool, but this is a pickup device. This is an assist device created to help you hold it and not have to use this for different situations. The original version and the Frontal Assault version. When you can't afford to drop it, you need the magnetic finger.